Never buy a used Honda CRV 2008 before watching this video. The CRV has a reputation for being one of the most reliable SUVs out there. And yeah, for the most part, that's true. But the 2008 model, it has some specific problems that owners kept running into again and again. And if you already own one, or you're thinking about buying one, you need to know about these right now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what breaks, why it breaks, and what it's going to cost you if you ignore it. Let's start with the one that hurts the most, the air conditioning. Over 1,000 people, 1,092 to be exact, reported that their AC just started blowing warm air out of nowhere. And here's the scary part. It's not just a simple fix where you recharge the refrigerant and call it a day. What actually happens is the AC compressor seizes up. And when it does that, it sends debris, little pieces of broken metal and material, flying through the entire AC system. That means it's not just the compressor you're replacing, it's potentially the whole system. We're talking about a repair that can run you anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 or more, depending on how bad the damage is. If your AC starts blowing warm, don't wait. Get it checked before that compressor turns your entire system into a mess. Next up, the door locks. A lot of 2008 CRV owners noticed their door lock getting sticky or just flat out not working. You put the key in and nothing happens, or it feels like you're trying to unlock a door in a haunted house. The cause is worn door lock tumblers, basically the small pieces inside the lock cylinder that wear down over time. The fix isn't complicated, but it does mean the lock has to come out completely and the tumblers need to be swapped out. It's one of those annoying little problems that isn't dangerous, but it gets old real fast. Now let's talk about a noise that a lot of CRV owners brushed off for way too long, a groaning sound when turning. If you hear a low groaning or moaning noise coming from the back of the car when you're going through a turn, that's your rear differential talking to you. The fluid inside breaks down over time and stops doing its job properly. The good news is this one is actually an easy fix. You just service the rear differential and replace the fluid. If you catch it early, it's cheap. If you ignore it, you're looking at a much bigger repair bill. Moving on, the automatic transmission has a known issue with harsh shifts from first to second gear. It doesn't just feel a little rough. It feels like the car hiccups hard every time it changes gears. Honda actually put out an official service bulletin for this. Their suggested fix is to flush the transmission and use Honda's specific ATF Z1 fluid, then replace the linear solenoid. If that doesn't fix it, the problem is internal, and the transmission itself needs to be rebuilt or replaced. That's a repair that can easily hit $2,000 to $4,000. So if you feel that hard shift, don't wait on it. And last, the windshield wipers. On some 2008 CRVs, the wiper motor fails, and the wipers either won't shut off or they stop in the middle of the windshield instead of parking at the bottom. In the rain, that's a real safety problem. The fix is replacing the wiper motor, which is straightforward but necessary. Now I want to hear from you. If you own a 2008 CRV, have you run into any of these problems? Or maybe there's something else going wrong with yours that I didn't mention? Drop it in the comments right now, because someone out there who's thinking about buying this car is reading those comments and trying to make a decision. Your experience could save them thousands of dollars.